Hello everyone. I hope you are practicing all the vowels and the consonant with all the quizzes and the revision in the lesson. So we're gonna do today labial consonant. Labial consonant is nothing but the lip is doing this. If I say upper lip and bottom lip, um, jumbles or touches. Okay, let's use touch. Okay, so this is very easy. So let's go to the first one. So this is called per, per, per. This per unaspirated. Per. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. So you make a circle towards the line and make a vertical line. You make a circle towards a horizontal line, you make a vertical line. If you do not attach this to, then it becomes ana. So this is very important to draw. Even a minor change in the drawing, it will change the sound itself. So it's very important to write it correctly. So the first one is, oh, let's go to the second one. Second one is this way. So let's do it together. So you make a circle against the horizontal line and you make a vertical line. And towards that vertical line, wherever you see a other one, like between, you have to make an H like thing. So once again, make a circle against horizontal line, make a vertical line, and make a H. Once again, make a circle against horizontal line, make a H. Okay. This H is more like this. So this is called H, aspirated. H. So it's called H. H. So next one, so you make a line, vertical line, you make a circle against vertical line, and there is a slanting cross in the circle. So you make a line, vertical line, you make a circle, and you make a cross in the circle. You make a line, you make a circle against the vertical line. So one more time. So one line, a circle, and a slanting line in the circle. So this is called b, unaspirated. B, 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 b. So p, h, b. Next, go to the next one. So you make a circle, you make a vertical line. Oh no. You make a circle, you make a vertical line. Oh no. Just this happening. You make a circle, you make a vertical line, you make a circle, you make a vertical line. One more time, like this. Um, it's more like a horse or something. Okay. So this is called bh, aspirated. Bh. So b, b. Last one. It's like this without circle. Like it is like a previous one, but without circle. Try it. So this is called nasal. Mo, mo. So one more time. So labial consonant is nothing but your upper lips and the bottom lips are touching like this. So first one is p, second one is p, third one is b, fourth one is h, fifth one is m. So I hope you'll practice the labial consonant and other conjunction and consonants as well. So it's important like to form various words. So that's it. Well, I hope to see you soon. Bye.